Is it time to buy or sell Locafy stock? In this video, we will dive deep into Locafy. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of September, 2025, our system has identified Locafy as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.58. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 13.79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 31.41% to 84.65%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 25.95%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 73.20% to 2.80% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.51 and $5.78. Our latest daily update for Locafy includes the headline, High Volatility in Locafy Limited Stock Price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $5.62. The Locafy Limited stock price gained 38.08% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, rising from $4.07 to $5.62. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated 67.23%, reaching a low of $4.15 and a high of $6.94. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 29.49% gain over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day, along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. With a total of 28 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 28 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $158,460,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $13.98, while the lowest was $2.55. Currently, the price is 59.8% or $8.36, below the 52-week high, and 93.76% or $84.38 below the all-time high reached on the 28th of March, 2022, when the price peaked at $90. Locafy, or LCFY, is currently in the spotlight after announcing impressive initial results from its newly deployed artificial intelligence sales team. The company has also reported operational progress over a 9-month fiscal period, which management believes positions it well for future scaling. They have introduced a suite of AI-driven search engine optimization products, established partnerships in the United States to enhance their listings and reputation services, and are presenting at the Gateway Conference this morning. These efforts underscore their commitment to entering the profitable U.S. local marketing sector. In the short term, these developments could serve as positive catalysts. Increased visibility from the conference and early traction in AI sales might uplift investor sentiment, boost trading volume, and potentially drive share prices higher, especially if investors anticipate imminent revenue acceleration. On the other hand, a notable notice from Nasdaq regarding delayed interim filings poses a near-term risk to sentiment, which could lead to increased volatility if not addressed swiftly. Looking ahead, the successful commercialization of AI products and the ability to scale partner distribution would bolster revenue growth and enhance profit margins, thereby improving valuation prospects. However, sustained upward momentum relies heavily on effective execution, transforming partnerships into recurring revenue streams, and addressing governance and compliance issues to rebuild investor confidence. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Locafy stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Locafy. The Locafy Limited stock currently presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. Should the stock experience downward corrections, there will be support at levels of $4.39 and $4.96. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The rising volume alongside the price is regarded as a favorable technical signal. It is important to note that some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 32.29%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot has been established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 47 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 165 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago, the long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Locafy. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.29 and $4.81. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this support is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Locafy Limited sees support just below today's level at $5.29. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.81 and $4.28. This stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.79 between its high and low points, representing a change of 67.23%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 20.84%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Locafy, let us briefly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside of their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and could pose risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Locafy. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Locafy is at $6.30. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a noteworthy point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Locafy faces its first support level at $5.29. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.30, reflecting a decline of 5.7%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 46 days ago. Is Locafy stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators combined with a generally positive trend suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Locafy Limited stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 4th of September, we anticipate Locafy will open lower by 5 cents and begin trading at $5.57. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from everyone here at StockInvest.